Hi, this is my sphere drawing sketchbook tour, and well, here we have the four spheres. I decided to separate them into like equal parts, and I actually put them in order of what I thought was the lightest to the darkest one, and I used pencils from HB up until I believe about 8B. And I kind of just first started out sketching each circle, and then for the first one, I went in with my lightest pencil and I kind of just barely, I think I ended up erasing the line right there where the line was shining because it was blending into the background a lot. And I didn't do a background color because it seemed too light, and I kind of went in just layering lighter pencils first and then going in with darker ones, making this kind of point of contact darker. I feel like I had trouble with the reflection though. In the next one, I did the same thing. I kind of outlined where the shadows and the lighting are supposed to be, and then I kind of went in and filled it in with how I thought the shading looked. With this one, I feel like this one was the hardest one I had. It was very reflective, like at the bottom and on the side right here. It was difficult for me to try and to capture it and put it on paper, but I feel like my first two and this one were too light. So for the last one, I kind of just went in really hard with the darker pencils, and what I did with this one that I actually didn't do with the rest was that I utilized my kneaded eraser a lot more in this one, and I feel like that really kind of changed the outcome of it. So I went in more so with the dark ones here to really kind of show, try and get the contrast better, but I think the kneaded eraser really helped.